Meet the 2026 Hummer EV SUV, an all-electric monster packing a jaw-dropping 830 horsepower and enough torque to tow a small planet. Starting at just under $100K, this isn't just a luxury SUV, it's an off-road revolution. Today, we're diving into the wildest features, including the mind-bending king crab mode, four-wheel steering, and tech that makes even gas-powered beasts look prehistoric. Is this the ultimate electric adventure machine? Let's find out. The 2026 Hummer EV SUV stands as a testament to how far automotive engineering and design have come, blending the rugged DNA of an off-road legend with the cutting-edge advancements of the electric era. Imagine approaching this behemoth, its imposing stance, bold lines, and futuristic LED lighting signature immediately command your attention. The reimagined Hummer grille, now a closed panel illuminated with intricate lighting, hints at the vehicle's electric heart while preserving the iconic face that made Hummer a household name. Massive wheels, pronounced fender flares, and a high ground clearance all signal that this isn't just an urban SUV, it's built to conquer any terrain you throw at it, from city streets to rocky trails. Slip inside and you're greeted by a cabin that masterfully balances utilitarian toughness with opulent luxury. The expansive interior is bathed in natural light, thanks to the infinity roof system and removable sky panels, giving passengers a panoramic view of the world outside. Every surface feels premium. High-grade leather, real aluminum accents, and soft-touch materials abound, while the ergonomically designed seats offer heating, cooling, and even massage functions. The 13.4-inch infotainment display and 12.3-inch digital driver cluster dominate the dashboard, providing crisp, customizable readouts for navigation, vehicle status, and entertainment. With wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, you're always connected, whether you're headed to the office or the edge of civilization. The heart of the Hummer EV SUV is GM's Ultium battery platform, a marvel of modern engineering. With an estimated range of over 400 miles extendable to 450 miles, with the larger battery option, range anxiety becomes a thing of the past. Fast charging is a breeze, supporting up to 350 kW DC charging and adding 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes. The onboard charger makes overnight home charging effortless, while the advanced battery chemistry ensures longevity and reliability. Under the floor, the battery's skateboard layout keeps the center of gravity low for excellent handling, while freeing up space for both passengers and cargo. Performance is nothing short of exhilarating. Depending on your chosen trim, power outputs range from an already impressive 625 horsepower to a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower in the Edition 1, with torque figures that border on the absurd, over 11,500 lb-ft in the top model. The result? A 60 mph sprint in as little as 3.5 seconds, putting many sports cars to shame. But the Hummer isn't just about straight-line speed. Its advanced four-wheel drive system, with individually controlled motors at each wheel, delivers precise traction and control on any surface. Adaptive air suspension lets you raise or lower the ride height by up to 6 inches, optimizing for comfort, aerodynamics, or maximum ground clearance. The legendary crab walk feature, allowing the vehicle to move diagonally, is more than a party trick. It's a genuine asset for tight off-road maneuvers and urban parking alike. Off-road prowess is at the core of the Hummer EV SUV's identity. With approach and departure angles that rival dedicated rock crawlers, underbody armor to protect vital components, and a suite of drive modes tailored for everything from sand to snow to rock, you're equipped for adventure. The extract mode lifts the vehicle to its highest setting, making short work of deep ruts or water crossings. Meanwhile, the 360-degree camera system, including underbody views, gives you confidence to tackle obstacles that would leave lesser SUVs stranded. Technology and safety are seamlessly integrated throughout. The latest version of GM's Super Cruise hands-free driving system brings true semi-autonomous capability to highways, handling steering, acceleration, and braking on compatible roads. Blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, and a full suite of airbags ensure peace of mind for every journey. Over-the-air updates keep your vehicle current with the latest features and improvements, while the augmented reality navigation and advanced head-up display make every drive intuitive and engaging. Practicality is never sacrificed for style. The rear cargo area offers up to 82.5 cubic feet of space with the seats folded, and clever storage solutions abound throughout the cabin. Power outlets in the rear let you run tools or camping gear directly from the battery, and the low-load floor makes packing and unpacking a breeze. Whether you're hauling gear for a weekend getaway or just tackling the daily school run, the Hummer adapts to your needs. Pricing reflects the Hummer's flagship status, with the base model offering a compelling package of power and technology, and higher trims layering on luxury, performance, and exclusive features. Factor in potential tax incentives for EVs, and the cost of ownership becomes even more attractive, especially considering the reduced maintenance and fuel expenses compared to traditional SUVs. When stacked against rivals like the Tesla Model X, Rivian R1S, and Jeep Wagoneer EV, the Hummer EV SUV carves out a unique niche. It combines the brute strength and off-road credibility of a classic Hummer with the refinement, efficiency, and tech expected of a modern luxury EV. For those who want to make a statement on the road, at the trailhead, or in the driveway while embracing the future of mobility, this SUV is in a league of its own. As real-world owners and automotive journalists have discovered, the 2026 Hummer EV SUV isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. Praised for its comfort, capability, and wow factor, it does have its critics. Some point to its size and weight as drawbacks in urban environments, while others wish for even more range. But for most, these are minor trade-offs for the sheer versatility and presence the Hummer delivers. Looking ahead, the Hummer EV SUV signals GM's commitment to an electrified future. Rumors swirl about even more powerful variants, off-road special editions, and expanded availability worldwide. As more automakers race to electrify their lineups, the Hummer stands as a bold, unmistakable icon, proving that sustainability and adventure can coexist in spectacular fashion. Would you take the plunge and drive this electric giant? What features excite you most, or what would you change? Let's fire up the comments section. If you're hungry for more EV action, stick around for our next video, where we'll pit the Hummer against its fiercest competitors in a head-to-head showdown.